so we can be free. All the super sad, all the super sad, running through my head, running through my head, running through my head. All the super sad, all the super...
I pozdrav svima ljudi, ja sam Klufix i došao u novu epizodu na mom kanalu. I danas ćemo igrati The Last of Us. Brate, odavno je bilo kad sam zadnji put izbacio video. Bukvalno ne znam šta mi je bilo. Sve hoću da izbacim video, ali ne znam. Nisam mogao, mislim mogao sam, ali sve mi je bilo nešto dosadno i tako. I igrat ćemo u epizodi i u sljedećem walkthrough od The Last of Us-a, zato što će uskoro, mislim ne baš uskoro, sljedeće godine, ali mislim početkom će da izađe The Last of Us Part 2, tako da ćemo preći ovu igricu i naravno spremamo se za sljedeći deo. Tu će naravno biti main story The Last of Us i Left Behind, tako da vidimo se kada krene igrica. Ok. Evo nas. Naughty Dog game. Ok. Neka devojčica.
Tommy, listen to me. He is the contractor.
Neću pričati dok budu ovakve scene.
Can't lose this job. I understand.
I da, izvinite ako se čuje saobraćaj u pozadini. Otvoram je prozor. Ok. Ovo će možda izgubiti posao.
Monday at work, huh?
What are you still doing up? It's late.
Crud, what time is it?
It's way past your
But
bedtime.
not still today.
Honey, please not right now. I do not have the energy for this.
Here,
What's this?
your birthday? Kept complaining about your broken watch. So, figured, you know. You like it?
Ne znam, možda za rođendan.
It's nice, but I think it's stuck. It's not.
What? No. Oh, ha ha.
Where'd you get the money for this?
Drugs.
What?
I sell hardcore drugs.
Oh, good. You started helping out with the mortgage then.
Yeah, you wish.
A on je zezno za sat. Inače tražio sam prvu priliku da odigram ovu igricu, tako da ono. I eto, našao sam prvu priliku da igram. Jeste igrica izašla baš odavno, ali malo sam zakasnio.
My baby girl.
Ok. Još ne shvatam šta se dešava, ali dobro. Ok. Malo se promenjala scena, znači mislim da ćemo još malo da igramo.
Uncle Tommy? Hello?
Ovo se čuje moji slušalici, samo da znate. Da, mislim da je ovo...
What was that?
Aha, ok. Vidimo šta. Možemo... Ne možemo ništa.
Phone's dead.
Ok, imamo šta ima. Ovdje možemo, ali imamo i ovdje nešto ako ćemo ima.
Dang it. I forgot to give this to him.
A. Ok, idemo. Vidimo kako pravo izgledamo. A. Ok. Spak se O, neka infekcija. Znači, zombi su krenuli. Kako ih oni zovu sad? Mutanti. Mali dance ode da je.
You in here?
Seem to be somehow connected to the
Where
nationwide
the heck
pandemic.
are you?
We've received reports that victims afflicted with the infection show
It's
signs of
nearby.
increased aggression and there seems to be some commotion coming from
What?
What was that?
What?
Dad?
Fuck.
Dad? What is going on?
Oh, it's like
There's his phone.
oh,
8 missed calls. Where the hell are you? Call me on my way.
o, nešto se dešava. I baš dobar telefon. What? Ste čuli? Nešto je bilo sa psom. Lep kompjuter.
There you are.
Sarah, are you okay?
Yeah?
Does anyone come in here?
No, who would come in here?
Don't go near the doors. Just stand back
Okay,
there.
dead.
Dad, you're kind of
Šta
freaking
god
me out.
da kažeš.
What's going on?
It's the Coopers. Something ain't right with them. I think they're sick.
Kind of sick.
Jimmy!
Dad?
Jimmy, come here. Come here. Jimmy! Jimmy, stay back! Jimmy, I am warning you! Don't!
Oh my god. That hurt.
You shot him.
Sarah,
I saw him this morning.
listen to me. There is something bad going on. You've got to get out of here. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Tommy, come on.
Where the hell you been? You have any idea what's going on out there?
I got some notion.
Holy shit. You got blood all over you.
Ain't nothing. Let's just get out of here.
Some half the people in Sydney.
Let's go.
Evo dva. Aha, znači možda sam miram. A,
Tell me what happened.
pogledamo na tu stranu i odemo.
Hey, Sarah.
Lijepo.
How you holding up, honey?
I'm fine. Can you hear us on the radio?
Yeah, sure thing.
Thanks.
No cell phone. No radio. Yeah, we're doing great. You know, these men wouldn't shut up.
He said where to go?
He said, Army's put up roadblocks on the highway. No getting into Travis County.
Get the hell out. Take the 71.
That's right.
Did they say how many are dead?
Probably a lot. Found this one family all mangled inside their
Tommy's.
house.
Ok, znači baš je sad krenulo da bude neko veliko sranje. What the fuck?
They got no clue. But we ain't the only town. First they were saying it's just the south. The east coast, the west coast.
Oh my god.
That's Lewis's farm. I hope that son bitch made it out.
I'm sure he did.
Were we sick?
No, of course not.
How do you know?
They said it's just people in the city. We're good.
Didn't Jimmy work in the city?
That's right, he did. Fine, trust me.
Alright.
Let's see what they need.
What do you think you're doing? Keep driving.
I got a kid, Joe.
So do we.
But we have room.
Keep driving, Tommy. I see what I see. Someone else will come along.
Što blizu su bolnice, tako da ono. Mogu da stanu, ali ipak mogu se možda da stanu. Oh fuck.
This is bad. Everyone and their mother had the same damn idea.
We good? Just backtracking.
What the? Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Tommy!
Holy shit!
What the?
What the fuck just happened? Did you see that? Yes, sorry. God dang it. Turn here, turn here.
Come on, people, move!
What are they running from?
Yes, I'm trying.
Oh no.
There's a
Can't stop here, Tommy. I can't fucking drive through them, Joe! Back up there! They're behind me, too! There! Hold on! Go!
Oh fuck. Oof.
Daddy? Hey!
Get back. Get back.
Okej, izgleda smo sad čale. Idemo. Prazna baterija, fuck, valjda će izdržati. What the fuck?
Dad?
I'm here, baby. I'm here. Come, give me your hand.
Okej, čekajte. Okej. Evo ga.
What is it?
My leg hurts.
Oh, baby.
It's bad.
You're gonna need to run. Keep us safe. Come on, baby. Hold on tight.
What? Hello, buddy. Fuck.
He's dead. God damn it.
Okay.
We're almost
Sure.
We're almost there, baby. They get through the fence. Keep going. Find your way out of here. Come on. Go.
Ah, fuck.
Move it.
Fuck.
Get to the highway. Go. You got Sarah. I can outrun them.
Uncle Tommy?
I will meet you there. Hurry.
Oh, fuck.
Daddy, we can't leave him.
It's gonna be fine.
Trči.
We're almost there.
Pa kako džogiraš? Možeš da trčiš. Trči. What? Što se da desilo sad, nemam pojma.
Hey, we need help. Stop, please.
Yes,
It's my
let's
daughter.
move.
I think her leg is broken. Stop right there.
Fuck.
We're not sick.
Got a couple of civilians in there. Remember? Please advise.
Daddy, what about Uncle Tommy?
We're gonna get you to safety and go back with him, okay?
So, there's a little girl. But... Sorry.
We've just been through hell. Okay, we just need...
Ooh. Ne.
Please don't.
What?
no.
Sarah,
Ne,
move your hands, baby. I know, baby, I know.
ne.
Listen to me, I know this hurts. You're gonna be okay, baby. Stay with me. All right, I'm gonna pick you up. I know, baby, I know it hurts. Come on, baby, please. I know, baby, I know. Sarah,
Ne.
baby. Don't do this to me, baby. Don't do this to me.
Kakav početak, brate. Oh my god. Šta?
The
Okay,
number of
brate.
confirmed deaths has passed 200. The governor has called a state of emergency.
Hundreds and hundreds of bodies lining the streets.
Panic spread worldwide after a leaked report from the World Health Organization showed that the latest vaccination tests have failed.
With the bureaucrats out of power, we can finally take the necessary steps.
Los Angeles is now the latest city to be placed under martial law. All residents are required to report to their designated quarantine. Riots have continued for a third consecutive day, and winter rations are at an all-time low.
A group calling themselves the Fireflies have claimed responsibility for both attacks.
Their public charter calls for the return of all branches of government.
Demonstrations broke out following the execution of 6 more alleged Fireflies.
You can still rise with us. Remember, when you're lost in the darkness, look for the light. Believe in the Fireflies.
Kakve su kao neke preveda spašavaju ljude. Summer, znači leto. Dvadeset godina kasnije. Šta? Uvole sedovi.
I'm coming.
How was your morning? Want one?
No, I don't want one.
Well, I have some interesting news for you.
Where were you, Tess?
West End District. Hey, we had a drop to make.
We had a drop to make.
Well, you wanted to be left alone, remember?
So I'll take one guess. The whole deal went south and the client made off with our pills. Is that about right?
Deal went off without a hitch. Enough ration cards to last us a couple of months, easy.
You want to explain this?
I was on my way back here, and I got jumped by these 2 assholes, all right? And yeah, they got a few good hits in, but... Look, I managed.
Give me that.
Okay.
These assholes still with us?
That's funny.
Let's find out who they were.
Yeah, look, they were a couple of nobodies. They don't matter. What matters is that Robert fucking sent them.
Our Robert.
He knows that we're after him. He figures he's gonna get us first.
Son of a bitch, he's smart.
Okay.
He's not smart.
Neki Robert sad, šta je on, kao nešto krade?
Like hell you do.
Old warehouse in Area 5. Can't say for how long, though.
Well, I'm ready now.
I can do that.
Okay. Znači ima neki Robert sad ovdje.
Checkpoint's still open.
Only a few hours left until curfew.
Better hurry up then.
Ok. Znači, ljudi, ovdje ću završiti video. Kao što ste pogledali video do kraja, ako jeste i ako vam se sviđa, ostavite like, subscribe i naravno volio bih da podržite ovaj serijal i mi se vidimo nekako sljedećeg epizoda. Video možda sljedeći izlazi za 2 dana, 1, ne znam, ali naravno ovo je sigurno nastavljamo zato što je priča sve bolja i bolja. Pozdrav!